show you how to make egg puffs. Don't worry, it's not difficult. I will show you a simple process. If you like this video, please click on like button. If you're seeing my video first time, please do subscribe. Let's go to kitchen. We require Maida, water, salt, egg white, Dalda or butter and sugar. Now we will make dough. Add sugar, salt, egg white, mix well. Gradually add water. The dough is ready. Now we'll make the sheet. Spread some Maida. Roll it. Now spread some butter or dalda. Now fold it. Again press with a roller. Spread some Maida. Make a thin sheet. Like this. Again spread some dalda. We're doing this to get layers. Now fold it. Like this. Apply some dalda on the top. Again fold it like this. The dough is ready. Now close and keep it in the fridge for 2 hours. In the meantime, we'll make the filling. For that, we require onion, ginger garlic paste, tomato, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, chili powder and coriander powder. Take a pan and pour some oil. Add some onions. Add some salt. about it for some time. Now add ginger garlic paste. Now add all the powders. Now add tomato. Salt well. Now the filling is ready. After 2 hours, we'll open it. Spread some maida. Keep the dough and roll it. Make it a square shape. Cut the edges and make it a square. Now we'll cut it. Now we'll put the filling. Now put egg. Apply water in the edges. Now close it. Press and close the edges. Keep it on a baking tray. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes. Now egg wash. If you don't want to use egg, you can use milk. Like this. My egg puffs are ready. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with family and friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.